campground, and I'm gonna be fishing with a drop set with a live worm bait, and we're gonna be fishing in this lake. It's a creek, not a lake. I don't think I ever been to a creek before. Yeah, we caught a little bit of fish, yeah, already, but we didn't get enough. My turn. Say bye, little fishy. Bye, little fishy. Yeah, come to me, yeah. Tiny one. Tiny walk bass.
Good.
That walk bass.
No, it's a panfish.
Oh, that's
It's like a bluegill or something.
bluegill? I caught it when I just went way behind the walk. No, behind the walk.
Oh, okay. Better unhook him and let him go.
Yeah. Woohoo! I'll put him in here. There. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're fast. This guy's fast. Look at this little dude. Video fast. Finally, I caught a fish. Caught a fish.
Okay, show him.
Look. Look. Look, Oma, I caught it.
Oh, awesome. Good job, Jen. Take a picture.
See, I caught it. So this is how I caught the fish. I cast it like right behind that walk. You see that walk right there? You see that walk right there, over there? I just went behind it, and then I like felt like lots of bites on it, and then I just like wheeled the fish in. Then that's how I caught it.
We're gonna do underwater release.
Underwater release!
Yeah,
Woohoo!
Oh, come in. Reel it in. Turn it. Oh, you got off. Oh, you got off. Pull, turn. Yes. Good job. There you go. What do we have here?
Can I hold him in the mouth?
Yeah, sounds lovely. Hard, and so don't break it to the camera. Put your other hand. Give me your other hand. Your wriggly finger.
Good job, Amaris.
Good job.
Oh, so cute. Wow. How am I gonna put him?
Oh no, I'll just do it. You ready?
Okay, can I hold the camera? Can I hold the camera? I'll hold the camera.
Go to the clear water. Here, I'll plant the camera.
That's where lots of fish go.
Yep. Gotta look for those deeper spots of the little creeks.
Come on, let's go back. I'm gonna do underwater.
Oh, we gotta catch another fish. Good job. Fish rope. Fish rope. Hey, how did it feel catching that fish?
Feel hard.
It was hard? Did you have fun?
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Good job, Amy.
Right.
count the stars that are so bright. Daytime is the best time. Nighttime is the best time.
Feel
The
something.
sun.
You have to pull it back, okay? If something pulls, you pull it back. Okay?
Oh, oh.
Pull it back, pull it back. Go, pull it back. Turn it. There you go. There you go. There you go. Whoa. That's a nice one. That one's bending the rod a little bit. Wow.
What kind of fish is that?
It's like a bluegill.
Hi guys. So it's a nice view out here, and it was nice fishing, and I have the nice water beads. Like it's so great. Yeah, and we also saw some cool little 3 ducklings, a lot of ducklings, and we saw a nice bird flying into the sky camping. We had so much fun with our RV named Noble. And it was so much fun there. And we was going exploring until we go home, and we was catching butterflies. Yeah, and also my dad caught 2 of them. But yeah, it was so much fun there. Like the lake was so nice, the pretty water, the sound. Subscribe button. So see you next time. Bye.